So we just got to where we're going. We're at the Inn on Gore, upstate North Creek.
North Creek.
North Creek.
Gore Mountain.
We're super stoked. We'll show you guys around. So we're about to leave where we just checked in, but there's an ice festival we heard about in Lake George, which is about 20 minutes away. Supposedly they have ice bars and ice sculptures, which should be really, really cool. And we're pretty excited. Let's go. We just got into town and we spotted some giant ice sculptures. There was this chair sitting in the middle of a field, but we found a bar. We're gonna check it out, see what's going on. I'd say this is pretty freaking cool so far. Yeah. We're gonna grab some food, see what's up inside.
Looks cool.
Right?
Very cool. Nice. Here's to our first ski trip in quite a while.
Cheers. We got a whiskey from the local distillery. It's pretty good. Cheers. Good morning. So we slept in. We were supposed to go see the sunrise together, but I guess we were just too tired. My dad went and got coffee at Stewart's. We're headed up to the mountain now. We're gonna get some breakfast and then hit the slopes. And just like that, we're off. Eat shit. We're exhausted. Absolutely bombed. We had a great day though. And it's snowing, which is awesome. That means tomorrow is gonna be even better. We're gonna go back to where we're staying right now and head into town and get some dinner. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. Time to go. Sweet, sweet nectar of life.
Woo!
Actually taking a much needed break for lunch right now. Loading up on some cheese and crackers and some green juice. I'm pretty shot. How about you?
I have more energy than my son.
All right, we're exhausted. We're calling it a day. We still had about an hour left on our lift tickets. We're gonna head back to where we're staying, get cleaned up, see if there's a Super Bowl party going on.